Namaste, everyone. I am Aphinya. Are your lower back and hips are tight today? Well, I have a solution for you. Why don't you come down onto your back, legs long, and interlace your fingers. Press your palms away from you. Take a deep breath in. And exhale, reach long out through the arms and your legs and start to rocking your hips side to side. Stop the hip, inhale, breathe deep. Exhale, lengthen the arms, stretch the leg and rock your hips side to side. One more like that, inhale, stop rocking the hip. Relax your jaw and exhale, reach your arms, reach your legs, rocking your hips side to side. Then you stop rocking the hips. Extend your arms, move it out at your shoulder height, palm facing up. Walk your feet in toward the hips, hip distance apart. And start to dropping your knees left and right here. Come back to your breath. Breathe in and out fully. Allow the gravity to help you to bring that weight of your leg further down toward the earth. Now, next time when your legs go to the right, leave them there and just keep focusing on your breathing. Exhale fully. 2 more breaths right here, please. Feel that on the lateral sides of your left leg. You feel the stretch happening right now. And last breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. And your body feels heavier. Then inhale, you bring your knees up toward the sky. Exhale, drop them to the left. 3 full breaths here, nice and deep. And you feel that every exhale on the lateral sides of your right leg, the stretch just feel more and more. Last breath right here, please. And fully exhale. Then inhale, bring your knees up. Draw them together toward your chest. Next, inhale, opening your knees apart. Draw them away from you. Let them meet. And exhale, draw them together back toward your chest. Can you do 3 more like this, please? 1, 2, and 3. How about change the direction? 1. Now we do 4 together. 2, 3, 4. And then from here we do happy baby. Feet go up toward the sky. Opening your knees wider than your trunk. Hold the outside edge of your feet with your hands. And you kick into your hand just a little bit to engage your legs muscles. And then rocking your hips side to side. Just feel your back being massaged. The earth, give it love. Your hip is being stretched. And one more deep breath right here, please. And then fully exhale. Stop rocking the hips. Now let go of your feet and bring your feet together down toward the earth. Keep your knees wide open and reach your arms over your head one more time. And right here, keep rocking your hips side to side. 2 full deep breaths right here. Exhale, reach long out through the arms as you still keep your hips rocking. Beautiful, everybody. Another breath, please. Exhale, long out through the arms, rocking your hips side to side. And then come to stop. Bring your knees up and together. Hug your knees together toward your chest. Bring your arms out like wing palm facing up once again. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. Exhale, drop your knees to the right, lengthening your hips away from your trunk. Both shoulders on the earth, and you look toward your left shoulder. 3 full deep breaths right here. Feel the body expand when you inhale. And feel that the weight of your body sinks to the earth beneath you when you exhale. Beautiful. 2 more breaths, please. Your breath is deep, slow, and even. Last one right here. Then inhale, bring your knees up together, back to center. And exhale, follow your breath. Drop your knees to the left. Both shoulders on the ground. Your hips extend away from your torso. And add 3 more deep breaths right here. One. 2. Last breath, please, nice and deep. And 3. Next, inhale, bring your knees up and away from the floor, back to center. Feet come down to the ground, and you place your right ankle above your left knee. Now lift that left leg off from the floor, thread your hands, clasp your fingers and interlace it behind your thighs or in front of your shin, and draw that left leg in toward your chest. Spread your toe gently. 3 full breaths right here, please. 1. 2. 3. Let go of your left leg. Plant the foot down toward the floor. Switch side, left ankle above your right knee. Then draw your right leg in. Interlace your fingers in front of the shin or the back of the thighs. And get that right leg close to your chest, the best your hip allowing you to do. And you add 3 more deep breaths right here. One, 2, breath, release, and then let go of your right foot. Now, reach long out through your arms and your legs one more time. Exhale. How about another full breath here? Inhale deeply. Exhale, interlace your fingers and reach long out to the arms and long out through your legs. Rock your hips side to side. Then release everything. Bring your arms closer to your hip. And let's get into this brief Shavasana. Your legs turn out. The weight of your legs and your arms, your hips and your body just sink deep into the earth beneath you. Breathe 3 more breaths, please. Relax. Let go. And observe your body with great attention and deep compassion. Another breath, please. I hope you enjoy this video, and especially I hope that your lower back and your hips enjoys this stretch. Let me know how you feel, and I see you next time, everybody. Namaste.